The Sekey 200L Folding Festival Trolley. Sold by Yuking Online. Introducing the Sekey 200-litre Folding Festival Trolley, the ultimate heavy-duty cart for all your outdoor needs. With an impressive load capacity of up to 150 kilos, this trolley can handle all your gear effortlessly. Its extra-large storage space, measuring 92 by 57 by 36 centimeters, is 125% larger than most wagons, perfect for beach trips, camping, and gardening. The trolley features two mesh cup holders to keep your beverages secure and easily accessible. When folded, it boasts the smallest storage volume on the market, saving space in your home, garage, or car boot. The Sekey trolley is equipped with 7-inch diameter all-terrain wheels, ensuring smooth movement on mud, grass, bumps, and curbs. Made from 600D Oxford waterproof fabric, it's durable and resistant to tearing, even with sharp objects inside. Setting up is a breeze with no assembly required, and it's lightweight at just 11.1 kilos, making it easy to lift with one hand. The patented 4-directional foldable design enhances convenience and portability. Ideal for any outdoor activity, this trolley is your go-to solution for transporting heavy loads with ease. Sekey offers a 1-year warranty on this wagon, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. To use the warranty service, simply log into your account, choose My Orders, find the order ID, and click Contact Seller. Please note, this product is not designed to transport children. Experience the convenience and reliability of the Sekey 200L Folding Festival Trolley today. Rated 4.7 stars. Order today for £129.99.